Hello, my name is Peter Kojo Edu, and I'm the Managing Director of Exact Engineering Limited, a design consultancy firm that has also undertaken the step of undertaking full-scale construction for civil engineering projects and also building projects. We are a wholly Ghanaian-owned firm using local expertise to develop projects that will meet international standards. We undertook the barge place development when we were consulted by Barge Freight and Logistics Limited with the intent of developing about 1.5 acres of their land in the Harbour Enclave in Tema. So the project was an engineer, procure and construct project. So Exact Engineering undertook the design coordination and the construction of the project. The project was in various phases. We started with bringing power to the site from the ECG grid from the 11 kVA to 240 kVA that can be used on the site. And the other parts of the project was the main office complex, which was about 5,000 square meters. Also, there was a warehouse with offices that covered an area of 1,700 square meters. In addition to these, we also provided over 2,800 square meters of paved area that will be served as parking area, both for light duty and heavy duty trucks. All the amenities, the cut and fill structures, the underground services were also provided by Exact Engineering, with HVAC, fire and other services coordinated by subcontractors who also worked on the project. The main focus for undertaking this project was to let the client understand that the local expertise are also capable of delivering projects on time, in duration, and also in budget. That was the main challenge. The challenge was the coordination of materials, what we can find locally and what we can import in the duration that was given to us to ensure that within the 2 years duration we can complete the project. And with good work from the team, both the site team and the office team, the project commenced with actual construction from August 2018, and by December 2020, the project was successfully handed over to the client for use. The challenges mainly emanates from the difficulties we have with the Ghanaian coastline and the weather conditions. So engineering-wise, we took the various steps to ensure that the building structurally was designed in order not to fail due to the adverse effects of the environment. Also, the selection of materials was done with that in mind so that we avoid corrosion, which is very serious when it comes to building structures, and also the services that were provided in the building. So these were the conditions that we had in mind and implemented to ensure that the building will stand for the design life that it has been designed for. In the development stages, under all the issues that came up even during the pandemic, there was good organization and good service from the team that was ensured that the project will continue to the completion date. All the engineers that worked on the project, all the labor that worked on the project were sourced locally, and everything was done by the local team. With the help of some other materials that was imported, we were able to deliver the project, and it is currently functioning successfully. Definitely, in order for you to be a good leader, you should be able to get your message across and also solicit the involvement of your team members. And every team member has a role to play. So you encourage them to deliver their tasks to the best of their abilities. Where they need coaching, you coach. Where they need training, you provide. And where they need encouragement, you also encouragement. And where they need rewards, you also give to them so that they will own the project and the task that has been assigned to them so that the delivery will be excellent. During the pandemic, the most important thing is to keep the workers safe. Construction has its own hazards, so you need to bear in mind the health and safety and environmental issues that the normal construction works brings, and also the additional risks of having an outbreak on site. So there was strict adherence to the protocols, and also those who were able to work from home, like the finance team and a few other people, were also asked to work on home. The greatest takeaway is teamwork and people understanding the situation on the ground and what they really need to do to keep themselves and their families safe, and also to deliver the expected task that has been assigned to them. My advice to all the people that are involved in the construction industry is that in most areas, the local expertise form the majority of the people that deliver projects. So I would just advise my colleagues to provide very good leadership on the construction projects, adherence to quality control measures, adherence to good engineering practices and standards to ensure that whatever the specification says in the design and in the structure is what is being provided for, and whatever design that is given to them, they can also peer review it and also make recommendations so that whatever product that comes out after the construction will be that which that will meet international standards and will also meet all the quality standards that is expected of a good construction project. Thank you and welcome.